Siargao Island is located in the province of Siargao del Norte with 94,273 population consisting of 9 municipalities: Burgos, Dapa, Del Carmen, General Luna, Pilar, San Benito, San Isidro, Santa Monica, and Socorro. The island is accessible via airplane and ferry boat. Siargao has been known to surfing enthusiasts and is the surfing capital of the Philippines. Even though you are not into surfing, you can still enjoy the island as it has a wide array of activities to choose from, such as the famous island hopping, land tour around the circumferential road of the island, enjoy the different white sand beaches, delicious food, and a lot more. Kamusta mga kalakwacheros? In this video, we will explore the island of Siargao, and I will provide you the most updated rates on their island hopping tour and some other places that you must visit. Going to Siargao Island is now easily available as there are several direct flights from Manila, Cebu, Clark, and Davao. And the rates may go up as high as 5,000 pesos one-way airline tickets unless you were able to secure a promo fare. Nothing to worry mga kalakwacheros, you have an options to cut down your budget on airfare. Take a ferry boat and it will cost you 200 to 500 pesos only from Port of Siargao. You have several options on transportation in Siargao. It can be via van, tricycle, or take the public transportation, the multicab. And of course, the famous motorcycle, which you may rent them as low as 350 pesos a day. The most common mode of transportation in Siargao is via motorcycle, as you have your free will to go around on your most convenient time. Most of the beautiful spots in the island can be accessed by land. From General Luna, you can go to Coconut View Deck in Dapa for 24 minutes. Going down a few minutes away is the Maasin Enchanted River. Entrance fee is 20 pesos, and if you want to rent a boat that includes a guide, and it will fit up to 6 persons. Another 30 minutes you will reach the Magpupungko Beach. Entrance fee is 50 pesos. And of course, hindi dapat papalagpasin ang Cloud9. It is located in General Luna. So if your accommodation is nearby the area, nothing to worry. You can go there anytime. No entrance fee if you just go to the beach area, or 20 pesos should you wish to go to the famous cottage of Cloud9. Best time to go there is during sunrise. And this montage video will tell you why. The most famous nearby islands are Naked, Dako, and Guyam Islands, and these are the rates depending on the number of passengers. 1,500 pesos, maximum of 6 packs, 10 packs for 2,500 pesos, 15 packs for 3,000 pesos, and 7 to 12,000 pesos for 25 packs. Should you wish to make the most out of your time, you may opt to visit some more islands such as Limamon, Sayungan, Anahawan, and La Hanuza Islands that will cost you an additional of 3,000 pesos, maximum of 6 packs. For some more island will cost you 3,000 and 5,000 pesos respectively for Corregidor Island and Sohoton. And now let's start the island hopping. The 3 famous islands are just few minutes away from each other. First, the Naked Island is just 10 to 15 minutes away from General Luna. Have you wondered why it was called Naked Island? The Dako Island, and is the largest island among the 3. And Dako means big. Entrance fee is 10 pesos and you may rent a cottage for only 200 pesos, which is recommended for your convenience. Most of the tourists will stop over at Dako Island to have their meal, as you can buy fresh seafoods and have them cooked just like what we did. Few minutes away from Dako is Guyam Island. Nothing much to do here aside from swimming and picture taking. Entrance fee is 30 pesos. Looking for great food? Nothing to worry mga kalakwatsa. You have a wide array of food options. Either you buy fresh seafoods from the market and make it your own, or choose to dine in or take out. And here are some of my recommendations. Just beside Cloud9, pay a visit at Shaka for some refreshment. Then wide options of food at Night Food Market at Isla Mercato. for some grilled foods? Well, Mama's Grill offers delicious grilled foods that will satisfy your taste buds. And do note to have some patience when going to Mama's Grill dahil sa mahabang pila mga kalakwatseros. Well, nothing wrong should you wish to experiment in your food choice, as there are a lot of food outlets along the tourism road of General Luna. Up for drinks, of course, they won't let you down. Just choose among those bars along the road. And for your souvenirs, the famous souvenir shop in the island is Guapitos. Next Siargao episode, we will tackle alternative ways going to Siargao Island and some other places to visit along your way to the island. That's all for now mga kalakwacheros, and samahan niyo ako sa next lakwatsa natin by subscribing to my channel and watch my previous travel guide and click that tiny bell to be notified of my next upload. Bye! Peace!